Deor mahas a chárde. Long time no seen or hearing or anything. This is just to celebrate July on Chabáiste, the month traditionally where they had no potatoes and all they had to eat was cabbage. And to say the good or bad news that I plan on doing a video for every day in July in Chabáiste, whether they be 5 minutes long or 5 hours long, and that to send in your questions, however simple or complex, and I'll try my best to answer them, whether you're an absolute beginner or whether you think you're cock of the walk. And I am also hoping during the month of July, to do perhaps some interviews with various people. So if you know, or if you can think of anyone that you'd like me to do an interview with, or if you yourself would like to do an interview, let me know. I'll be talking about all sorts of things. I've some interesting ideas lined up. So, very short video, short and sweet, the shortest and sweetest yet. So, send in your questions and I look forward to engaging with you during July in Chabáiste.